What if you woke up tomorrow and your social media was hacked? Your photos, DMs, even your business page, gone. The fact is that every 39 seconds, someone gets hacked online. Scary, right? Here's the good news. Most hacks are easy to prevent. So let's go over 5 quick things you can do right now to keep your account safe. Sit back and relax. Smart IT Pro is here to help. Tip 1, strong and unique passwords. If you're reusing the same one password everywhere, that's like having one key for your house, car, and office. If hackers get it, they get everything. It is usually recommended to use a password that has at least an uppercase and lowercase letters and add its complexity by mixing in numbers and symbols. This makes hackers difficult to guess or hack it easily, but make sure it is a password that is easy to remember or you can note it down for emergency. You can also use a password manager and let it generate long, unique passwords for every account. Tip 2, turn on two-factor authentication, 2FA. Two-factor authentication is a security process that requires 2 distinct forms of identification to verify your identity and grant you access to an account. It acts as an extra lock for your accounts. Even if someone steals your password, they can't log in without that one-time code. It has 2 methods used, SMS or text message codes, and using authenticator apps. Use an authenticator app instead of text messages. It's much safer in case of SIM swapping attacks. Now, my tech family, if you're finding these tips useful, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to share this with more people who need it, and honestly, it helps me keep making informational tech videos like this for you. All right, let's jump back in. Tip 3, watch out for phishing links. Phishing is when a scammer sends you a fake message that looks real to trick you into giving them your passwords or money. Hackers don't always break in. They trick you into handing over your info. Never click random links in DMs or emails. Always check the sender, and when in doubt, type the website directly into your browser. Tip 4, lock down your email. You must protect your email. If someone hacks your email, they can reset all your social media passwords easily. So give it the strongest password you have, turn on two-factor authentication, and don't let unknown devices stay logged in. If you want to check and remove strange devices connected to your email in your Google account, go to Manage Your Google Account. From Home tab, go to Devices, then check and assure the devices logged in your Google account. If found strange, log out from it. Tip 5, check your active sessions. And lastly for today, adding up from the 4th tip, check your active sessions in your email. Most apps like Instagram and Facebook show you where your account is logged in. If you see a device you don't recognize, log it out immediately. So that's 5 easy ways to stop hackers before they even try. If this saved you some stress, give it a like. And think of subscribing as your free insurance against the next scam. One click and you'll always be a step ahead to get information security tips than others. See you in the next video.